Welcome to the Better Crypto YouTube channel. The world is going through an upgrade. Cryptocurrency offers a new template for how we can work, interact, and create as individuals, businesses, or more broadly as a society. Cardano aims to be one of the operating systems that's powering this change. It's a third generation public blockchain platform. It's open source, decentralized, scalable, and efficient, especially compared to what came before it. That's a little bit about Cardano, but let's talk about myself. I'm Prash. I'm a software engineer by trade. I entered the crypto space like many of you as an investor. My goal was to make money, and don't get me wrong, that's still one of my primary goals. It's a path to financial freedom. But I wanted to do more. I wanted to grow with Cardano, so I learned about staking, did some research, and delegated my ADA. But again, I felt like I can do more, so I continued researching, learning about Cardano, and eventually I decided to create my own staking pool for the network. I'm having fun learning and supporting what feels like the Better Crypto project. You'll hear more about the Better pool, but if you'd like to join in and support an independent, professionally managed Cardano stake pool, reach out or consider delegating to ticker BETTR. That's spelled BETTR. I'm now continuing my journey within the Cardano space by committing to this channel, the Better Crypto. I want to spread the word. I want to help create change in how we interact. I want to help create a new global system where the power shifts back to the people, and of course I want to grow with Cardano. So I've created this channel for all things Cardano. Here you'll find fundamental analysis, how the platform is growing, latest developments, news, price action on its native token ADA, and even some tutorials on how to get started with staking. Also use this as a communication hub for the Better pool. So if you're staking and making passive income with our pool, you'll find this channel a great source of information for pool updates, changes, or any other announcement. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos on the Cardano blockchain and its native token ADA. Let's grow better together.